On the 6th of May 1906, Russia enacted the fundamental laws which were to serve as the constitution promised in the October Manifesto of 1905. Welcome to HistoryPod. Mounting discontent with the absolutist rule of Tsar Nicholas II had led to the Russian Revolution of 1905 that saw a series of protests, strikes and uprisings across the Russian Empire. These eventually forced Nicholas to issue the October Manifesto that promised basic civil liberties and the establishment of the State Duma, an elected legislative body. The promises were implemented through a redrafting of the 1832 fundamental laws and served as the new constitution that was formally enacted on the 6th of May 1906. Alongside the establishment of the bicameral State Duma, the constitution granted citizens freedom of speech, freedom of assembly and freedom of association, and provided for the protection of private property. Consequently, the Russian constitution marked a significant step towards representative government in Russia. However, it also contained provisions that preserved the authority of the monarchy. For example, the Tsar retained the ability to dissolve the State Duma and veto legislation, which limited the effectiveness of the elected representatives. Additionally, the composition of the State Council, with its appointed members, raised questions about the true extent of popular representation in the government. In subsequent years, the country continued to grapple with social, economic and political challenges as Nicholas abhorred the restrictions on his power. While the Russian Constitution of 1906 was therefore a step towards political modernization in Russia, its limitations and ambiguities contributed to continued instability that would come to a head in the Revolution of 1917.